G'day ladies and gents, we've all had those times on the charts when prices started to break out of consolidation or out of one range into a new range, and we're often sitting there scratching our heads wondering, is this going to be a sustained move or are we about to head straight back to where we came from? So what I thought I'd do today in this video is discuss how we can go about avoiding the dreaded fake out. Now guys, before I get away, as always, if you could, please smash that like button. Smash the like button. Also, if you're not already subscribed, please do so. I've noticed that more than 30% of you who do watch these videos still have not yet subscribed, so I would appreciate if you could do so. Just help me out, help stream out, and plus you're going to learn a hell of a lot just by doing so. So guys, leave a comment also down below. Let me know, how did you go during the week? For me, solid week, indifferent week, 4 trades, 1 win, but 3 were break evens, and I managed to avoid what could have been a few losses with those break evens purely through correct trade management. Now, so what I thought I'd do today is discuss the breakout guide, the fake out, sorry guys, and how we can go about avoiding it. So without further ado, let's get underway guys. And I've got a chart here loaded on GJ. Now on Friday during the London session, you guys remember I had this area marked in, which was a 4-hour resistance, previous 4-hour resistance above it. We got clean traffic to the left. I knew if price was to break above that level and close above it, I would look for my potential buy options upon continuation. Now, few options. The breakout didn't tick the box in accordance to my rules to come from too far below into the range below. So what I need to do is simply wait for the closure above that level, which I got just here. Now, the second thing, what I want to look for is, have we got that retest? So I'd be looking for the buy above that catalyst counters high. But now I'm going to ask myself, I'm looking, have we pulled back to retest that zone? At that point in the following candle, obviously not, so no entry. Following candle, more exhaustion, still not pulled back to retest, so still no entry, still no buy stop set. Finally, what we've got here is a retest on that bearish candle. Now, reason why I want to see the retest is, guys, because when price breaks out of one range, I'll show you an example of consolidation as well. When price breaks out of one range into a new range, what we want to see is price pull back to it to see if the old ceiling is going to hold as support, as a new floor. If it does, it begins to pull away, break above our catalyst counters high. At that point there, it's likely to make another impulse and continue to trend in line with the direction of the move, so to the upside in this case. So pull back, retest, see if we're going to hold and bounce off. Now, as soon as we pull back and retest that zone, I'm seeing my buy stop. So nothing venture, nothing gain. If price was to pull back and if it starts to close below, even a 15 minutes starts to close relatively strong bearish, I'm just removing the order and waiting for more data to print. Again, you're not triggered into the buy. You're waiting for that retest to see if the level is going to hold, so it bounces off it to head back up. Now, if it doesn't and it starts to pop below, we know there's a good chance it's going to head back down to where it came from and potentially the support at the opposite end, which is what happened just here. So that's what I want to see. I want to see if the buyers are still going to be present. Once we push price out of one range into a new range, we're going to retest, we're going to hold strong at that level. Is the ceiling going to turn to a floor? And if it does, likely going to end up on with a nice trade, a high probability entry at that point. So another example here, guys, from pure consolidation. When price is doing this, so it's just stuck in consolidation within the range, what I want to see is very similar, exact same scenario. Wait for the closure, and on the 30-minute, closure out of it, especially on GJ, 30-minute gold, 15 may be sufficient enough. Let it close below, pull back, retest. Is this consolidation going to hold as resistance? Now we've broken it, level of liquidity, broken below it, retesting it. If we begin to pull away from it, so if we retest it, when you can set the sell stop, begin to pull away, trigger it in as it breaks the catalyst counters low, and there's a high probability it's going to head back down to within the clean traffic to the next level. Now, once again, sometimes what it's going to do is make the move, and there's nothing much you can do about it. As you guys know, so fully away from the streams, I'm not interested in being first to the race, because the amount of times I've seen price does this, looks like it's about to break like so, and then it pulls all the way back up and back into consolidation. So I want to see the confirmation of it actually, once again, breaking below, retesting, and entry on the following M30. To the upside, same thing. Let it close above, retest. As soon as a retest, you can place your order in, buy stop, continuation. Triggered in, it's likely and high probability that will continue to the resistance. And once again, sometimes price is going to make the move. You're not in it. So at that point there, what you need to do is just patiently wait for price to pull back yet again. And you can potentially look to buy it from the previous, from support as the ceiling turns into a floor. Very simple, guys. So what we need to do is, once again, just wait patiently for price, you know, when it's moving from one range into a new range. First of all, close above, retest, and as it begins to pull away, you take the entry above your catalyst candle from consolidation, push above, retest, entries begins to pull away from the catalyst candle, same to the downside. Very simple, guys. It's one of the only ways really to avoid the fake out, to be honest. So if you're not trusting impulse entry, which I never do when it's coming from this sort of consolidation, wait for the closure, retest, continuation. That is pretty much how we can go about trying to avoid the dreaded fake out, guys. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a comment and also down below. Look forward to seeing you all on the live stream. Take care, guys. Until then, cheers, my friends.